name is Maggie Hardy and I'm excited for today's video because I got my hands on this bad boy. I got the BOXYLUXE. I do know there was a lot of drama behind the website and everyone trying to literally get the box, that it literally shut the website down for a few hours. But I was lucky enough to get the box, and I really hope that all of y'all at least got waitlisted. If you're not a part of Boxycharm, you guys definitely sign up. It is so worth it. Is this box worth it? I don't know. We're gonna find out. I haven't opened it yet. I have seen a few spoilers, but I haven't opened it yet. BOXYLUXE is a quarterly subscription. It comes out every 3 months. So on top of the $21.99, you get charged an additional $28.99 every 3 months. So the next box will be out in December. And I do recommend, if you're not part of Boxycharm, go ahead and sign up. That way in December, you can at least try to get the next box. So before we get into the video, you guys, make sure you always check the description box. Y'all know that I always love to leave y'all little sweet messages and scriptures down there. And it would mean the world for me if y'all would read them. Try to cheer up somebody's day. Also, I have a giveaway going on. It is 2 videos behind this one. I will leave it down in the description box. And I would be so excited if y'all would go enter the giveaway if you haven't already. And if you want to be a VIP and join the party, the Hardy Party, then click that red button down below. Also, hit the notification bell so you know every time that I upload. And yeah, so VIPs, let's get into the video. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, I have not opened it yet, and I'm just gonna do a quick run through of the box. So as a usual Boxycharm, it comes with a pamphlet. This one is huge, and you get Juicy Bay, Tarte, and Laura Geller coupons. And let's open it up, and it says Wildflower BOXYLUXE, and then it has all the items here that I got. And then everything is listed here, and I will read them off as I show you what I get. They packaged this really nicely. I really hope nothing's broken. I'm actually surprised that nobody stole this out of the freaking mailbox. So you open it up, and the Park Avenue Princess palette is actually on top. This is the main reason as to why I wanted this. I have wanted this palette for so long that I can't even remember. I know it's been out for a long time, but I just cannot find myself to spend the money on it. But if I can get this and 10 other items for $49.99, then of course that's what I'm gonna do. So we have the Park Avenue Princess. This retails at $45. Oh, look how beautiful she is. Oh my gosh. The packaging is amazing. Oh yes, this is what she looks like, y'all. I cannot wait to play with her. Next we got the Laura Geller. This is a baked blush and brighten. This retails for $28. It's very beautiful. It also has a little mirror on the inside, which is very cute. We now have the Pretty Vulgar eyeshadow palette. This is the smoky eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $35. So you guys, in the last 3 things that we've gotten, we've already gotten more than $49. So this is what she looks like. She has a mirror. She's a pretty cool tone palette. Alamar Cosmetics brushes, which is really cute because it kind of matches the theme of the palette that we got a couple months ago. Like, I think it's just adorable. Cannot wait to play with these, especially this one, because I love to do cut creases, and I think this would be a perfect cut crease brush. And then we also have a blending brush, which looks like it might be just a little bit too big for my eyeball, but it could be a good highlighting brush. And then we have just a little liner brush. Up next, we have the Totes a Charmer. This, I don't know, I don't really do totes, but maybe I can find a use for it. We'll see. Okay, the next thing that I'm pulling out here is a Violet Voss liquid lipstick. I really wanted the Hank and Henry. I did. I didn't get it. Boo. Boo. Okay, the packaging's really pretty. This is what she looks like. Let's give her a quick little swatch. Oh, it's one of my favorite colors. It's like a muted rose. Ugh. Yes, I hope the formula is worth it. And this retails, did I say how much it retails for? I don't think I did. Violet Voss lipstick, this is $12. Okay, so we got a cute little headband. Oh, I'm so excited. I love headbands. I love them so much. So This is actually pretty cute. I cannot wait to play with this. This retails for $4.99. Okay, so the next thing that I see here is the Sol de Janeiro Eponymous Sunset Glow. Possibly. I don't know how to say it, but Sol de Janeiro is a great brand. I love the lotion and the body spray. The body spray is amazing. And this is what it looks like. Oh no, it don't come with a pump or anything. Guys, look at that. Like that, what are you supposed to do with this? Just dump it all over you? So this is just an illuminating high shimmer transfer resistant body oil. And this item retails for $35. The next thing I see here is the Luxe Airbrush Foundation Brush. It feels absolutely amazing. I think that the structure of this brush is just amazing. Like, it feels so good. It feels so soft, and the way that it fits into your hand is absolutely perfect. This brush retails for $38. Now we have the R & Company. This is the Death Valley Dry Shampoo. This will probably get saved to put into a giveaway because I hardly ever wear my hair straight. I did in the last video. I don't wear it straight enough to have dry shampoo. And I literally wash my hair like 4 times a day. So this will probably get put up and go into a giveaway for somebody else. So now I see a Smashbox limited edition photo finish primer water. This retails for $32. I'm actually really excited about this because I've never tried the Smashbox waters or primers, setting sprays, or anything. So with this being limited edition, that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna give it a quick try. Smells like you just went to a day on a beach. It smells very good. It says to use to refresh your mood. That's funny. Okay, and last but not least, we have the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. This right here, where's it at? Lexi Juice Beauty. Okay, this is what I was really excited about, and I really hope that I like this because I've heard good things about Juice Beauty, and with this being an anti-wrinkle moisturizer, I love that we can grow older. I do. It's just part of life, but everybody loves anti-wrinkle. I'm very excited to try this, and this actually retails for $70. So my mind is just like completely blown. So I'm guessing, this is what I'm guessing. I don't know. Oh, there it goes. You just squeeze it like that, and I'm sure this is the perfect amount. Oh my gosh. Here, y'all guys, smell it. I know you can't, but holy macroys. Right now I use the Tatcha Silk Cream, which is $110, and if this works better than that, and I actually, oh my gosh, it's so good. If I can replace that Tatcha cream with this, that will save me $40. So I'm really excited to try this. I think this was the most exciting product other than the Park Avenue Princess for me. Okay guys, so that is the box. I am super satisfied with this box. I think the only thing that I really don't like is the tote and this oil. Like I said, it's already fall. We do not need, I mean, you can still use shimmer on your nights out, but this, we'll see. It don't have a pump, but we'll see. But everything else I'm super excited about. Okay guys, so I tallied it all up, I added it all up, and for these 11 items plus the tote, it equals up to $334.99 for the price that I paid for it, which was $49.99. I absolutely think it's worth it. I do. I'm so in love. Like, I'm satisfied. Thank you, Boxycharm, for this opportunity. As y'all are growing as a company, I really appreciate it. Okay, so my VIPs, y'all let me know down in the comment box. For one, did you get the box or get on the waiting list? And do you think that it is worth it? Do you think that this box is worth the $49.99 every 3 months? For Thursday's video, I am going to be doing a try on and demo of most of these products that I can for y'all. So y'all keep a lookout for that. And also, you guys, join the party, become a VIP. We would love to have you. Also, make sure you check the description box, and you can follow me on all my social medias, which are linked down below in the description box. I also have the giveaway video now, linked down below. So if you're not part of the party and you haven't entered the giveaway, then what are you waiting for? I think it's a pretty good one. And other than that, y'all, I love you, and as always, one act of random kindness at a time, because you may be the only Jesus that somebody sees today. So you guys go be blessed, stay blessed, be beautiful, be you, and I love y'all so much. Bye, y'all. Get out of here! Get out! Get out of here! There's a fly in here and I cannot get rid of it. It's starting to tick me off. It's fall. Fall. Who's ready for fall?